This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to do the SCM pin and stretch. This helps with headache prevention, neck, and jaw pain. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? Before we get into the self-care move, first note, avoid this area. Make sure your shoulders are neutral. To find the SCM, look in a mirror as you angle your neck and turn your head just a little bit. And then tense up your neck, and you should be able to see the SCM muscle like this. Once you have found the SCM, using your thumb and pointer finger, pinch the muscle, just like this. See how my pointer finger is bent to line up with the muscle? Make sure the pinch is enough to feel, but not enough to cry out to your chosen deity for mercy. Once you have a good grip on your SCM, angle your head to the side and back while you maintain that pinch. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Bring your head back to neutral and then repeat 2 more times. And, of course, do this on the other side. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.